Gold IRAs versus physical gold. Which is better? Both investment strategies differ in terms of accessibility, liquidity, storage, and tax benefits. Each option provides wealth preservation and growth, protection against inflation, elimination of counterparty risk, and portfolio diversification. To read the full article on all the pros and cons of both investment strategies, see the link in the video description. Also in this video, we will discuss some of the best gold IRA companies to partner with that provide both investment options. To skip to that part of the video, right now, check out the chapters in the video description. What is a gold IRA? Let's start with a basic overview. A gold IRA is a specialized retirement account that allows investors to hold physical gold and other precious metals as a part of their investment portfolio, offering unique tax advantages and diversification benefits. These gold IRA accounts operate much like traditional IRAs, but instead of holding paper assets like stocks or bonds, they are backed by tangible assets like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. The IRS regulates gold IRAs to ensure compliance with tax laws and contribution limits. Investors can choose from a variety of investment options approved by the IRS, such as coins and bars of various weights. The tax advantages of gold IRAs include tax-deferred growth on these investments until withdrawal. What is physical gold? Physical gold refers to tangible gold assets such as bullion coins and bars, which investors can purchase and hold in their home or a third-party depository. Gold coins like American Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, South African Cougaran, and Austrian Philharmonic are among the many popular coins investors prefer. On the other hand, gold bars come in various sizes and weights ranging from small bars of 1 gram up to hefty bars of 1 kilogram or more. What are the differences between a gold IRA and physical gold? Ownership of gold in a gold IRA involves a custodian who manages the assets, whereas physical gold is owned outright by the investor and can be stored personally. In terms of gold IRAs, the role of a custodian is crucial, as they are responsible for overseeing the investment and ensuring it complies with IRS regulations. On the other hand, owning physical gold directly means you have more immediate access and control over the precious metal without the need for a middleman. But again, the tax-deferred growth within a gold IRA cannot be ignored. In order to take advantage of the tax benefits of a gold IRA, one must adhere to the specific IRS regulations governing withdrawals and distributions to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. On the other hand, owning physical gold provides more immediate access to your investment, allowing you to liquidate or use the gold as needed without navigating through the complex regulations or facing potential tax implications. In terms of liquidity, market fluctuations play a significant role in determining the ease of selling physical gold, with prices directly affecting the speed of transactions. The overall economic climate and geopolitical events can impact the demand of gold, influencing its liquidity as an investment. Security and storage. Security and storage are important considerations for both gold IRAs and physical gold, with gold IRAs requiring storage in a secure vault or depository, while physical gold can be stored at home or in a private vault. Gold IRAs are required to be held in an approved secured vault or depositories to ensure safety and integrity of the investment. These facilities are equipped with advanced security measures such as alarms, surveillance cameras, updated IT infrastructure, and physical barriers to protect the valuable assets stored within. On the other hand, individuals who opt for storing physical gold have the flexibility to choose between home storage or utilizing a third-party private vault. Home storage provides convenience, but lacks the same level of security as private vaults, which offer specialized security features such as biometric access, insurance, and round-the-clock monitoring. One of the key advantages of investing in a gold IRA is the tax deferral on contributions, whereas physical gold is subject to capital gains tax upon sale. Circling back to the subject of security, if you choose to use a third-party vendor to store your gold, it would make more sense to utilize the gold IRA option, since third-party storage is already involved with the process and you get to take advantage of the tax benefits as well. Which is a better investment, gold IRA versus physical gold? Both gold IRAs and physical gold are considered effective hedges against inflation, maintaining their global value when traditional currencies lose purchasing power. Investors choose precious metals as a way to safeguard their portfolios from the erosive effects of inflation. Also, gold is non-correlated with other asset classes, such as bonds and stocks. Gold IRAs offer an added advantage of tax benefits and retirement savings, making them a popular choice for long-term wealth preservation. On the other hand, holding the physical gold itself allows more liquidity and accessibility independent of any specific financial system. Regardless of which option you choose, this innate characteristic of gold makes it a reliable reliable asset during periods of economic uncertainty and currency devaluation. To enjoy all the tax benefits of building retirement savings with the Gold IRA and avoiding possible pitfalls, choosing a long-established and trusted Gold IRA company is key. In addition to offering competitive prices, transparency, reliable customer service, and security of your precious metals, a reputable Gold IRA company understands the many rules and regulations required for compliance. These companies eliminate much of the guesswork, costs, and worry involved with opening and maintaining a Gold IRA. Finding the right Gold IRA company will also depend on your own individual investment needs. Depending on whether you are a high-net investor looking for the best and most competitive prices or require a low minimum investment and affordable entry into the gold market, we have researched, ranked, and reviewed the best Gold IRA companies that meet these needs. See the link in the video description to find the right Gold IRA company that fits your own individual needs. Choosing between a Gold IRA and physical gold requires careful consideration of investment goals, liquidity needs, associated costs, and ability to store your precious metals. Also, your time horizon for holding gold is another critical factor. Gold IRAs might suit long-term investors seeking stability, whereas physical gold could be appealing to those who enjoy collecting precious metals. Noble Gold Investments is a company that provides both Gold IRA and private ownership options. Noble Gold's Royal Survival Packs are a great alternative or addition to a tax-advantaged Gold IRA. Noble Gold offers a number of Royal Survival Packs ranging from $10,000 to $500,000 plus, delivered to your door and stored within your home. This provides quick and easy access to gold and silver as well as peace of mind. See the link in the video description to find out more about Noble Gold's many investment options. Now you are aware of the key differences and benefits of a Gold IRA versus physical gold ownership. With Gold IRAs offering attractive tax advantages and greater security versus the ease of access and liquidity that comes with physical gold ownership, your decision is greatly dependent on your individual needs. The inclusion of precious metals such as gold adds a layer of security and stability to your overall portfolio. This balanced approach helps protect against inflation, geopolitical uncertainties, and economic downturns. With all this in mind, good luck on your gold investing journey. If you are a serious investor with a minimum of $100K in retirement savings to protect and want to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold investment webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.